Hey there, everyone. Let's tour another new home. Richmond Homes has been so kind to me as far as getting me inventory to take a look at. And this one is going to be something that was taken back. So prior to Richmond Homes converting over to their new concept of building the home that you wanted, where you went to the design center, picked out a bunch of options, and they built the home for you, this one is a relic of that old style. Now it's just going to be taken back, and this is what they call a 30-day move-in. So they are ready to go on this if you were to write a contract on it. And you guys get to experience all the construction noises and the fun of touring new builds that just are almost quite there. And so let's go through and see this home. This is the Lapis, L-A-P-I-S floor plan. It is a corner lot. In this particular neighborhood, what Richmond will do is front yard landscaping. A little bit of rock around the front of the house, some bushes, grass in the front, sprinkler system. This front area here, I never know what to call this. Maybe you guys know, put that in the comments. They will put rock in here. They will also complete the wing fencing, so you will see matching vinyl fencing on this side to cover up your air conditioning, as well as putting fencing all the way down this side here. And it will be that almond colored vinyl fencing, which is great stuff because you never have to paint it or deal with it in any way that you would like a cedar fence. You can see some of the fencing way over there next to that house. It's a beautiful gray color with stacked dry stone. That just means that they don't put any mortar in between the stones. Get a look here over at the side. It's your electrical box. Let's walk inside and take a look at this home. It is a 3-bed, 2.5 bath with a 3-car garage, a loft and a study, 2,180 square feet. Cool little covered patio here. There's still some exterior painting to be done in the front of this little patio area. They want to paint those 2 lower boards, paint all the railing, paint the lid. Let's go inside, shut the door, and then we can be alone. Here we go. This is called a study because rather than the option where they have an open and exposed handrail, because this is the stairs, they wall it off so it gives it a little bit of privacy. Great home office. If you're running a business from home and you're meeting clients, this is a great floor plan. I've seen this floor plan in action before where it was a therapist's office, it was a daycare, it was a CPA's office. Richmond builds a lot of this Lapis floor plan. Big tall 9-foot ceilings with the 8-foot doors. All right, let's check out the rest of this home. So we walked past the entrance to the study, and then we walked here into the living room / kitchen. So pretty big space. I would say that this living room, pretty good sized room. Plenty of space for a sectional couch and a TV. I wouldn't buy the biggest sectional couch, but you could make it work. Let's take a look outside real quick. Again, Richmond is putting in these really large doors, and I like them. I like them because you can open either side, you can move furniture in and out pretty easily. But I think this backyard, and it's gonna be loud out there, so just a fair warning. And let's back up over here. There's the kitchen. So plenty of space for a dining room table right out in front. Those are Formica countertops. This is what they call sheet linoleum or sheet vinyl. Really low maintenance stuff. Pretty durable as well. Kind of a slate color stain on these cabinets, so you can still see the wood grain. Let's get a look at them. They also have the hardware already on them. Microwave goes here. Range goes here. Would be a gas range. It's already set up for gas. Dishwasher would go here. Refrigerator goes over in that spot. Here's your Costco-sized pantry. That's pretty cool. Come on, camera. There we go. Water heaters right behind this door here. You can see the venting for it. Since it is a water-based appliance, they need to allow for venting. Nice little cutout right over here too. Take some time to point this out. Get on Pinterest, find your favorite design, and put a rack in for coats, backpacks, boots. Keeps it out of the way. I'm gonna go here in the garage. You know, when you build a slab on grade or a crawl space style home, people are like, well, where am I gonna store my stuff? And if you end up getting a 3-car garage, your storage needs really are addressed by that third bay. So you can park that extra vehicle, you know, your hobby vehicle out in the driveway, or your pickup or your SUV that doesn't get driven a whole lot, out on the side and front here, and then this can be storage in here. I also see a great spot for hobby vehicles, snowmobile, 4-wheeler, dirt bike, things like that. Or maybe you're restoring that old classic car and it goes right here. So just think about that. Just because you have a crawl space home doesn't mean that you don't have space for storage. Builder is still doing some final touch up around here, so you are going to notice some carpet debris, this ram board which protects the flooring. You're going to notice a few screws and nails, so just realize that construction is still underway as they complete this home. This is your crawl space, and this is where, you know, you can store a bunch of stuff. Let's see if I can get a nice little shot in here for you. You can see that it's all weatherized, which makes it nice for storage purposes. And then there's a nice little kids' cubby area, storage area. I would treat this as seasonal storage, so things like Christmas tree, holiday decorations, Halloween decorations, they can go in there. Again, the half bath is right here. The pedestal sink, oval mirror, little light fixture. Let's head upstairs. I mentioned that this thing has a loft, and it certainly could be a bedroom. You know, you could get in touch with a contractor post-closing, take out this railing, frame up a door right here, and boom, you have a 4th bedroom. All right, let's go check out the rest of this upstairs. Starting with the furnace. Most exciting part of upstairs, right? Supporting bath. Has a single sink, but with plenty of space over here, Formica countertop. So you can store all those extra countertop items that you might have. Tiled surround. Bathtub's a little dirty, pardon me. Bedroom number 1 upstairs. Pretty standard size. I'd say it's about 13 by 12. Walk-in style closet. Let's go see bedroom number 2. Like I said on the last Richmond tour, if you buy a home with me, I'll get you some ceiling fans. Don't know why they don't put those in. Another spot for a ceiling fan right there. Upstairs laundry. Best thing since sliced bread. Same sheet vinyl on the floor. Let's go in the master. Pretty good sized room. I'll say it's about 16 by 16, pretty much a perfect square. I see plenty of space for TV, a dresser over here. Could put the bed against this wall if you wanted to, or I think it makes sense to put it over here with this one, because you have the 2 outlets on either side, one there and then one way over there. What you're not going to see on camera is me having a giant fight with this plastic sheeting they're covering the carpet with. Hot seat, 3/4 bath with the big pan. Formica countertops, taller height cabinetry, so that executive height. There's the light fixtures up there. An exposed linen storage, that's pretty cool. And then a huge closet, big walk-in closet here. Oh no, broken window. Well, that'll be fixed by the builder. I do also want to point out that this south-facing driveway is never going to have much accumulation for snow. So keep that in mind as you're considering this home or other homes. West or southwest facing is ideal. So we just got done walking the Lapis. What did you think? Did you like all the extra space in the garage? How about the kitchen cabinets that are right behind me? How about upstairs laundry and the size of the master bedroom? And being on a corner lot means that the builder has already put in a portion of your fencing. You know, they already take care of the wings on either side of the house, but then along the side yard. And I'm being told by the builder rep that the neighbor directly behind you is willing to split the fencing to put it in. My guess is they're looking to save some bucks. That means you could save some dollars as well. This is a 3-bed with a study and a loft, 2.5 bath, 3-car home, 2,180 square foot home, coming in at $480,000. I think that at roughly $220 a square foot, that this is a pretty decent price for this part of town. There are homes in this same neighborhood of similar square footage that are $100,000 more. So if you like what you've seen here and you want to learn a little more, please reach out to me. I'd be happy to provide you with any information. As always, thank you so much for watching these tours. I have a ton of fun doing these, and I like it when people are like, hey, show us more. So I will. I'll see you on the next one.